close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go.
Heart on fire, set my heart
How you doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. My name is Jenner. For the new, thank you guys for tuning in. As you guys saw on the intro today onto this video, we're not doing a Camry video. We're doing actually a little review, a little walkthrough around the Lincoln 2020 Aviator. Guys, it's such an amazing car. Luxury everywhere you look, every corner of the car, just definitely everywhere you look. This car is something else. I know most of you guys never actually seen a Lincoln, at least in the car shows. I've never seen a Lincoln. I've seen the old school ones, not the new ones. And we're actually going to be talking about this car because it caught my attention, because this one, most Lincoln cars now are turbos, turbocharged. And not just simple turbo, but twin turbochargers, As you guys know, this one is I'll let you guys know, this one is actually a V6 twin turbo, 3.0 liter. Actually fuel economy, it's 24 on highway, I believe, 17 on city, and average is 20. But I mean, for being this big, let me show you guys how big I'm talking about. This is just amazing, I mean, usually a sport car, a two-seater, two-door, or maybe a four-seater has usually this average per miles, but this one actually has, this one being so big, and the capacity that it has. Let's start with some features. Let's see over here. Now this one, you guys might, ooh, look at that. Jeez, I'm gonna turn off the lights though, because the hood is open, because I'm gonna show you guys the engine, definitely. So, as you know, every car, they have the heating, the cooling seats, definitely something. But this one actually comes with massaging seats, so you guys will be surprised. So it massages from pretty much your bottom to the top. This thing is just amazing, guys. It's amazing. You can choose all the settings from lower to high to relax, full recovery. Just something that really to point out, because not a lot of cars have the massaging ones. And just jumping from technology to features, just how the little details right here, the stitching, the leather, the speakers being here, on the side, on the bottom, on the front, on the top right here, all over. I mean, this is really gonna be something, just to listen to music or just watch, a movie. It will be literally like a movie theater, definitely. I believe this is the headrest display. So, and also on your door panel, most seats usually have, how to control your seats, street controls on the bottom. This one actually has it here on the top, so that's pretty awesome about it. Something to point out is this right here that really caught my attention. I'm gonna show you guys right now. So this actually can move. You guys will know what I mean. So we're gonna move the left, we're gonna put it down, the right, the left. So for your pretty much to drive 100% comfortable, pretty much to, if you're small, you're big, you're tall, pretty much if you're tall, tiny, either way, it's just comfortable. Just the entry. Also, I forgot to mention this. So, for whatever reason you're closing the door, you forget to close it, the car does it for you. So the car does it for itself. There's no pull anymore. Button. Open the door nicely. Details right here, guys. Just details. Just, oh man, look at this. Also, you notice no cup holders. Of course there is, guys. Come on. You gotta be bougie about it, though. Little lighting in it. Oh man, that's just crazy. Close it here. Let me close it here. Just close in here for your charging ports. You can put your phone. Now there's your mask. So once you turn the car on, guys, I have to point something out. Is let me dismiss this because the hood is open. I'm gonna show you guys the engine. If it's the dry mode, most cars have the eco, normal, and sport mode. This car actually, it's an all-wheel drive. I forgot to point that out, but pretty much all the driving modes that this car has. Conservative, you know, normal mode, the slippery flow when it's snowing, deep conditions, you know, when it's wait, no, what was the slippery? Oh, okay, so this is like icy, and it's okay. This is for snow, mud, and sand. Crazy. Even though it's a luxury car, it still can hit, you know, all terrain. So that's crazy about it. That's great. That's really good. Now, what I'm seeing here, there's no shift knob, so I'm guessing it's the buttons. Snap. It is. Okay. So this is the camera, 360 camera, as you guys see. Backing camera is definitely helpful. Beautiful. Very clear too. Very, very clear. See my nephew passing by there? And also warns you when somebody's passing by. That's good. Nice. Then to pull the hood. Okay, this is for your gas. Security over here. It's unlocked right now. Hello. Second row is the entertainment center. Oof. Now this is where it gets really fun. Movie wise, you know, pretty much. I'm not 100% sure if you can put an SUV here. Actually, oh, never mind. That answers my question. So SUV, drive, phone, connection, everything. So definitely. Oh man, this car's amazing. Floor panel here, same thing. Oh, I wonder what's this. Wait a minute. What? You see what it is? Hold on. So I doubt this is for the box. Although you could put on the window, you can have this if you're going camping. But actually, just to give you a little more dark, I guess, in the sun. That's, oh god, that's amazing. I wonder what was that for. The beautiful sunroof, guys. Actually, not just sunroof, but panoramic roof. That's what this one's called. Once you get a panoramic roof, you can ever go back to sunroof or nothing. No, like that's like a no for sure. Now nowadays there's not roof scoops. It actually has like a butt catcher that as soon as you open your moon roof, that pops out. But this is just beautiful. This one's just beautiful, guys. Really nice. Definitely a huge shout out to Lincoln because they made us just an awesome luxury car. In this case, it's just something else, you know. Price range on this one, I will be showing the price on this car, guys, in another video, so stay tuned. If you're liking the video so far, don't forget the thumbs up there. Subscribe to my channel, guys, because we got a lot of things coming in. Now let's get back to the video. Third road. The third road is pretty basic, normal. That's all your needs, more than all your needs. Cup holders, every cup holder here too. I'm guessing for your phones, wallets, personal belongings. You can just chill here in the third row. Definitely has a space for you to watch the movie. So if somebody's watching a movie in the front on the second row, you can definitely watch it too for the third. Also, I believe, oh yeah, the speakers actually. Oh yeah, the speakers are there. 1 and 2 here. So like I mentioned, speakers all over. Alright guys, and then now we're on the back. Back's pretty simple, you know. You got your tire under here. It's very spacious. Now you gotta keep in mind that if you're lazy to put your third row seats down, don't worry about it, guys. Lincoln got you. Boom. Let it drop. Man, look at that interior though. Then once again, I'm gonna You know, you got way more space now. Like, put it back up. Also got a plug here just in case. Lighter one. It's maybe for holding protection here, but yeah. Got a hook over here just in case you need it. Two actually, I'm sorry. Guys, so it looks like we're gonna finish the video here. It is getting cold. It's getting very cold, guys. The Aviator is definitely a car to go for. Oh, let me check that grill actually before. Actually, I definitely messed up, guys. But yeah, definitely the grill. It's just, and of course the Lincoln logo. But I promise you guys the engine. Twin turbo, of course. The engine is really covered, guys. I am not gonna get into details on opening, just because it's almost getting dark, so I don't want to lose any pieces. But so I believe this is a strut bar. That is crazy. I mean, definitely making the car stable. You know, I'm not gonna open these, guys, just because it's getting dark. I don't want to get into losing anything on the little pieces. But yeah, let me get the flashlight on right here. Wow. This 6 twin turbo, guys. An amazing thing. Honestly, I would have put like a Lincoln logo or something here, but I mean, the car's just amazing itself. The batteries over there, bro, beautiful. The car's awesome itself, guys. Hey guys. Alright guys, so this is a little review. I know it wasn't very specific, very, you know, detailed, but at least got the main facts. Anywho's, guys, oh yeah, 22 inches. Definitely got 22 inches on the wheels. Anywho's, guys, don't forget to drop a like, comment, subscribe, and share this video, guys. And remember, it's not just about the car. Hold on, I think it is. I'm just playing, guys. Remember, it's not just about the car, guys. So stay sexy out there. Until next time.